Bottom Line, in association with Center for Alternative Dalit Media, presents Earth is the first gift of nature, on which all have the same right. Just as there's no restriction for anyone to breathe in air, so also every citizen should have land and a house. National Confederation of Dalit Organization, NACDAW, is working for those homeless and landless people in such conditions in the society. NACDAW was established in 2001 for all-round development of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, Dalits, Adivasis, Aboriginals and other sections of the society. In India, 70% of the population dependent on land and agriculture for their livelihood, and 49% of Dalits are landless and work as agricultural labourers. For the development of Dalits and Adivasis, a minimum ratio of population to own a land is needed. Great Saint Vinoba Bhave started the Bhudan movement for the land ownership rights for the landless, but the Dalits and the Adivasis did not receive much benefit from it. Various land laws such as Zamindari abolition, land acquisition laws were made. But situation is such that in Madhya Pradesh, though the Dalits and Adivasis comprise 36% of population, they have approximately only 3% of land. In Haryana, 8 out of 10 Dalits can farm in their own land. Due to unequal distribution of land, daily harassment is met to the Dalits and the Adivasis. NACDAW plays a vital role in providing land to the landless, awakening feelings of respect to landowners, recognition and equality. In Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh, awareness campaign for the rights of the landless has been started through the Bhumi Adhikar Yatra. Along with NACDAW, the Dalits and the Adivasis in huge numbers have begun rally for the land rights. In Madhya Pradesh, awareness for land rights of Dalits and Adivasis has increased through the movement.
किस राज्य में दलित और आदिवासी की आबादी, दोनों की आबादी मिलाकर 36.5% है। इतनी आबादी करीब करीब पिछड़ी जातियों की है। लेकिन जब हम जमीन के इस मसले पर आते हैं तो 36% लोगों के पास, न्याय तो ये कहता है कि 36% लोगों के पास 36% जमीन होनी चाहिए। अगर हमारी आबादी 1 रुपए में 40 पैसे है तो जमीन भी 1 रुपए में हमारे पास 40 पैसे के बराबर होनी चाहिए।
In the districts of Satna and Sagar in Madhya Pradesh, 200 acres of land has been distributed among the Dalits and Adivasis. The main purpose of NACDAW is that the landless families receive 5 acres of cultivable lands and in which women have the same ownership, and that the landless families in towns are given land for building house and toilets.
किस देश में कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक इतनी जमीन इस देश में है कि ये जमीन हर परिवार को 5 एकड़ जमीन बांटी जा सकती है, ये हम कह रहे हैं।
Recently, NACDAW organized a national-level consultation program to strategize on land rights of the Dalits, Adivasis and marginalized. Grassroots activists, civil society organizations, academicians and other intelligentsia from the dozen states shared their experiences, difficulties as well as success stories. A Rashtriya Dalit Adivasi Bhumi Adhikar Andolan Samiti was set up to raise the voice of landless. National Confederation of Dalit Organization NACDAW is providing all-round support to the Dalits and Adivasis communities who are fighting for the rights of landless Dalits, Adivasis and marginalized.